Vähän pelottaa.
He makes it look easy.
Eikö me hyvin?
Aina ihan älyttömästi.
Well, it's a nice chilly morning here in Sweden. I'm David Coulthard and welcome to Unibet Ride.
Jeez.
Prepare to be impressed. So yesterday was fantastic. Really enjoyed being out in the nature and the wilderness. But I made a few calls and I've organised something a bit closer to home. Let's go get the boys. Gentlemen.
Hello.
Good morning. I'm impressed that you're both awake.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I've had to go and sort out a few things for today. You did that lovely surprise yesterday in the snowmobiles. So,
Look at the energy, man.
I'm excited. Come, you got to come and see.
Let's go.
Yeah? What do you think of my monster truck?
Look proper.
So we have a short drive, gent, so we're going to be able to enjoy the Defender. Look, it's got flashy lights on the top and we've got all sorts of fun things going on.
But with a beast like this, I think we should try it off-road.
You saw how bad I was off-road yesterday. So you think that's a wise thing for us to do?
Here we have some ski slope.
All right, guys, if you're up for it.
I fully trust in you.
That was your first mistake.
Why don't I look outside when you guys try first?
Hey, we're a team.
Go, 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 go. A second. Full gas, full gas, full gas. Yes, excellent. Look at that.
Yes, good.
I didn't make it to the top. I reckon this is more your domain, so...
Yeah.
I can try.
Now it's gonna go, I think.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
That's good.
Oh,
That's
here we
really
go.
good.
Here we go.
Now we go.
Yes.
Easy. Yes. At least now we got almost to the top.
Almost.
The only thing I'm a little bit concerned is how is it for braking?
Let's see later.
We can drift it into the location.
For sure.
It works. Oh, shit.
Hey, I have a privilege to try also.
Now I'm afraid. Go for it.
No
No traction, no traction, no traction. You need to keep the traction.
Where are you going?
You have speed. Keep it, keep the speed, keep the speed.
Okay, well, you get the award for getting the highest up the mountain, Mika.
Also the most stuck. Yeah?
Try, on you go.
Yes.
Ah, there we go. There we go, yeah.
Don't go so fast.
First time Kalle is saying that, hey, did
Yes. Now it's my turn to
now it's
say.
your turn. Oh, no, you cannot say that.
He loves it, doesn't
He
he?
did well.
He did, yeah.
I'm the best.
You know, when Mika and I were teammates at McLaren, start of the Grand Prix, heading up the hill into turn 2, doors wide open, I start to overtake Mika, he panics and tries to close the door, and we end up crashing into each other. He spins around, I continue on.
Because you pushed me.
You closed the door.
It was a corner coming. I had to turn.
So what's the worst thing you can do in rally? Would it be like crashing on the way to the start of a stage or something?
Yes, I think you cannot mess up more than that. For sure, there has been some guys like crashing on the last stage of the rally, let's say with a big gap.
Yeah.
And then it's not even like a power stage, it's just like super special. Just like doing donuts and stuff, and then you hit the car somewhere or...
Yeah.
So, I think that's like the worst thing you can do.
Here we go, guys. What do you think?
Looks familiar to me.
There's our babies to play with.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Can you recognize this?
Yes, I can.
So this is the track.
Looks like a Silverstone.
It is. It's the classic Silverstone.
Should we make some small bet?
There's always a bet.
That's
isn't there?
correct.
Okay.
Every time you put the helmet on, you need to have a bet.
Oh, yeah.
Tell us then, what should we do?
3 laps on the track. and total time counts. Loser catches the fish for dinner.
You got to cook it as well, okay?
Well, I let that you to do that. Fish and chips.
Okay, Mika, I'm going to do the start flag for you. Unlike the snowmobile, no jumping the start. You go when the flag gets to the bottom, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Let's see how long he takes before going off.
Mika, remember to breathe.
He's still on the track, so I think
So
that's
far good.
encouraging, yeah.
Okay, Mika.
That was quite good.
He looked quite quick there.
That was good.
There's no way you guys can go quicker.
But it looked quick. It looked really quick.
Didn't look quick.
Yes.
Shit nearly flat this corner. Next one.
Okay.
I want to see how you both gonna do.
Okay.
Think about keeping the boost up.
Good, looking good.
Jeez, he's not braking.
That's what I was thinking.
God, jeez.
Look, it's already sideways there.
No! Oh my God. .322 the first lap, 3:15.9 the second lap,
Okay.
and then 15.0 on the last lap.
So consistent also.
Yeah, consistent, yeah.
consistent.
So, should we just head back to the cabin? Start
It's
fishing.
a good race. We'll give it a try.
Okay. Maybe I'll be a natural.
Now we have the chance to find out.
Yeah. Prepare to be impressed.
Close window.
Okay.
Hey, good luck, man. Good luck.
Start.
Reindeer.
I'm a bit busy right now. I'm on Hanger Street. It's very fast.
This corner should be flat out. What is doing? What is this?
David.
What is this?
I got overexcited and ran out of talent. But I was going really well until I crashed.
We will come to help you.
I think you have some fishing to do. Yeah, I know. I'm fishing and I'm going to be cooking.
I'll start getting ready for fishing. Thank you. Well done.
Thank you.
Mika,
Thank you.
you were pretty good.
Good try.
You were pretty good.
If I remember right, you should be fishing our dinner right now.
Yeah, but you don't really mean for me to do that, do you? I dug a hole, but...
We don't have any food here.
Look. Thank you, chef.
This is nice.
How impressed. Well, gents, before we tuck into this beautiful catch, what a great couple of days.
Fantastic.
Snowmobile, loved that. Thanks for the education.
Coming.
Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah.
and the rally car on the ice.
Lot of sideways. Huh?
Yeah,
Well, I thought you had to look out the side window.
that's the correct way. You went well.
That's why we having the fish.
You maybe a bit too much sideways.
I think we just need to say, to the next trip.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see what's next.